Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out another one of the products that I got from Ipsy when I redeemed my points. And this here is from the brand Sugar. And it's the Contour de Force Mini Blush that I got in the shade Peach Peak number 1. So I have not tried out many products from the brand Sugar. So I'm excited to see how this is. Oh, cute packaging here. So this comes in a few different shades. It retails for $9.99 and it's supposed to be a buildable blush, which I really like in my blushes because I tend to go in with a heavy hand. So I like when I can actually build up my blush and not apply way too much at first. But so here is what the shade looks like. I'm going to start out with a swatch. It looks pretty, like a beachy, kind of rosy shade. Ooh, and it has a really nice buttery texture, completely matte, and yeah, that's definitely not super pigmented. So hopefully it really does build up so you can see it pretty well on the cheeks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up with a fluffy blush brush, and let's see how it looks. Yeah, definitely looks pretty sheer at first. It made a little bit of a difference with it versus without it, but I want to add some more, and let's hope that I get a little bit more of that flush of color going on. Oh yeah, it is buildable. And I do really like this shade because it has some warmth to it. Like, I love a bronziness to my blushes. I feel like since it's matte, I can see, like, I mean, I have to look up really up close in the mirror to even notice, but it does leave like a little bit of a matte texture behind. And I just kind of have been preferring more of a glowy blush lately. I just like to have sheen, dewiness to the skin. That's just what I think is the most flattering on all skin. So I'm just not crazy about this dry matte texture. Someone that has very oily skin might prefer this, but my skin is more on the drier side, so it's just not the texture that I have been preferring lately. But I do like the color and I do like how buildable it is. But it's definitely not something that I'm immediately like, wow, I'm loving this. Like, it's fine. It does give a really pretty flush to the cheeks. I'm gonna bring it over my nose as well. But it's just not all that special. Like, it's totally fine as a blush, like no complaints, but you know, this is day, what, like 1277, which is crazy. It's so many products. But therefore, I have tried out so many blushes, and I know what I like, and I know what is above average. And to me, this is just average. And I mean, I got it for free with my Ipsy points, so it's definitely usable, wearable, pretty. Like, I definitely have color to my face now, in a natural sun-kissed looking shade, but not my favorite blush. It's not so bad that I won't wear it again, but when I do wear it, I'm sure I'll apply a highlighter on top of it to still get that glow that I like in my skin. So if you have tried this out, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But I would also love to hear in the comments down below, what are your favorite types of blushes? Do you prefer more of a glowy blush like what I prefer lately? Do you prefer a matte blush like this? A cream blush? I'm just so curious to hear what everyone's favorite types of blushes are. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.